Thank you very much for choosing the equipment of Yugu machine. This is a customized wood rounding machine, which can run up to 4.4 meters in length and 500 millimeter in diameter. The machine uses two 15 kilometers motors for double rollers and two 11 kilowatts motors for single rollers. The rollers use special patterns to remove wood branches and barks, and it adopts a hydraulic knife structure, which can quickly change the knife. The saw blade breaks the veneer and breaks the waste veneers. 1. How to use. Because the machine has high power, you need to open the single roller first, then the double roller, and then start the wood sporting roller. Before feeding the wood, you need to start the saw blade. Then feed the wood and control the hydraulic forward and backward movement through the handle. 2. Disassembly and assembly. The machine needs to be assembled and assembled for transportation. We have marked the connection part. Please connect according to the mark. The knife height is set to 38 millimeters. The part removed from the motor needs to be matched, one by one according to the number. The machine comes with some free accessories. The hydraulic oil has been extracted before the machine is transported, and the hydraulic oil needs to be refilled after. Installation. The hydraulic oil needs to exceed the oil level. Display. 3. For stability during transportation. The machine part adopts the method of base welding. To disassemble, use a grinder to remove the welding pin, and then disassemble. 4. When unloading at the container, the machine has a hump, and the machine needs to be pulled out of the container and then posted.
这两个是单轨，这俩双轨，这两个是双轨，这两个一样。这双轨有一，双轨为一，双轨 W 一。这是跑腿，这是2哈，跑腿2。有一打有2 W 2，跑腿2。我都是当边的哈，因为这个活这打它标不了。它是200车单位的，就是全部都堆到好些。这个插头是要插的啊。 时间长了回来，你要弄2年，长的专业有。我知道是的，他最起码如果说温度高的话，他得觉得绳子得